The coronavirus 2019 has spread around the world with unprecedented speed. This pandemic is something that modern world has never seen before, and it's forcing governments to announce emergencies and lockdowns that people have only seen in movies. Meanwhile, in Sweden,
Dear people, I'm very sad. I need to announce we thought that everything is fine in Sweden regarding the coronavirus, but we were wrong. Horrible things have happened. We need to take strict measure to mitigate the corona problem. And this will be a sad day for everyone in Sweden. I can put the flag here. Unfortunately, Swedish government needs to set a limitation of maximum 5 meatballs in Ikea. So I know it's difficult, I know it's very sad, but from now on, the Swedish people, when you go eating meatballs in Ikea, you can only have maximum 5 meatballs. I'm sorry, this is a sad day.